Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in Canva. So here I've already added some text on my design in Canva, and then please what you need to do first, please make sure that you choose the bold font for the 3D text to make it looks more clear or more like more 3D I can say. So you can just choose the font here. I'm going to use I've already searched the bold font provided by Canva, and then you can just choose one of them that you think suits your design the most. And then what you need to do is click on the text and then go to the effects option at the top, and then click on shadow style effects. And then as you can see here, you can see some shadow in the text, but if you want to make it looks 3D, you can just adjust the offset to the right, swipe it to the right like this. As you can see, the text is now like looks more 3D, and then you can also change the direction like this. For example, you can change it as you like. And then you can also adjust the transparency of the shadow like this. Okay, when you're done, just click anywhere on the screen, and then your 3D text has been created just like that. You can save it into your computer or your device. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can create a 3D text in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.